Now we are about to start another project. That's the land-based side of this cruise sector, and that's another 35 million US dollars. Unfortunately, the project has been delayed because we have not been able to clear out the residents. We have perhaps one more home on Newgate Street. The residents are cooperating, so we hope to move them out within the next week or two. Unfortunately, we have had some issues with Mary of Mary's Bar, Newgate Street. She's operating in a government building in which, she has not been paying any rent. Not that we sought any rent from her, but we tried to rent a building immediately opposite on Newgate Street from a private person and to have her relocated. She has refused and she's not cooperating. So I suspect DCA will have to remove her forcefully. And the irony about it is that when that happens, you're going to hear our political opponents jump in on the issue when myself, Minister Max Fernandez, as well as the Attorney General, the Honorable Cutie Benjamin, we visited her, we asked her to cooperate. In fact, between myself and the Attorney General, we would have been in touch with her on several occasions for months now. And she just refused to cooperate. And the irony about it, she's behaving as though she's a landlord when she is a tenant and a non-paying tenant. So I just hope that between now and the next few days before DCA acts that, maybe she will rethink her position and she will cooperate. Other than that, it's going to be a forceful removal. And as I said to her, if we have to go through the embarrassment of removing her forcefully, then all of the promises that we made to her, for example, we agreed to pay rent for an alternative place for her, that will be off the table. She'll have to find her own premises. And we also had said to her, we'd have utilized our best efforts to get Global Ports to guarantee her facility within the new development. That too will be off the table. And you all know that I'm a straight shooter. I love Mary. She's been my friend for some time. She originated from the Dominican Republic. In fact, half of the space that she has there was my branch office, and I allowed her to use it. So I don't know why she's so hostile, unless she may be going through a difficult period and maybe not thinking very clearly. But I want to appeal to her again, publicly, to cooperate because, it's a law. It's a government place. You're holding up a national project, and it's unreasonable. Even if the government had taken the decision that she had to leave and we would not provide her with an alternative, she was duty bound to leave. But the reality is we provided her with an alternative. And the interesting thing, the space that we provided her is immediately on the other side of the road, a bigger space, a better space that potentially would have run the government about $10,000 a month in rent. And for some, I don't know, reason of ignorance, she has refused that offer. I just don't understand it.